Hello wood mice and dormice, and welcome to this week's maths learning. This week in our maths learning we're going to be carrying on with subtraction, and we're going to be making and solving some number sentences. To warm up, we're going to start by counting in tens. We've done lots and lots of counting in ones, and as you can see here we're going to be counting in tens. We've got our number block 10 at the bottom here to show that we're going up by 10 each time. So let's count along together to begin with. Are you ready? So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Well done. Make sure you're saying T at the end of each number and not teen, because our 0 represents that it is a T number, 20 and 30. We're going to do our subtraction number sentences now, and we're going to use the number cards, and I've got counters or any small objects to help you. If you want to do this along with me, you might just want to pause the video and go and get yourself 10 objects. And it can be anything you like as long as it's small enough and that you can move it. I'm going to use the number cards to help me, and I'm going to start at the biggest number, because remember when we subtract we have to subtract from a bigger number. So I'm going to start with 6. I'm going to do my subtraction symbol. So 6, subtract. I'm going to subtract, I think I'm going to subtract 2 to start with. I'm going to do my equals symbol. So I've got my number sentence there. 6 subtract 2 equals. To help me to solve it, I'm going to use my counters. So I'm going to start with 6. I'm going to count out my 6 counters and lay it out as 3 and a 3 so I can check. I've definitely got 6. I've got my 6. I now need to subtract 2. So I need to take 2 of them away. How many have I got left? That's right, I've got 4 left. So 6 subtract 2 equals 4. Well done. Let's try another one. I'm going to put my counters back up to the top and choose a different number this time. I think I'm going to go for, let's go for 8. So 8. I'm going to subtract, I think I might subtract 3 this time. Do my equal symbol. So if you're doing it along with me, we need to start by counting out our 8 objects. So take your 8 objects. Check that you've counted them accurately, that you've definitely got 8. I'm going to put mine in a 4 and a 4 so that I can check. Okay, lay out your 8, and we need to subtract 3. This time we're going to take 3 away. 1, 2, 3. How many have we got left this time? That's right, we have got 5. So 8 subtract 3 equals 5. Let's have a go at doing one more together, and then afterwards you may like to carry on and have a go at solving your own subtraction number sentences. I think it's time to go for 10. So I'm going to do 10. I'm going to subtract, let's subtract 5. 10 subtract 5 equals, so we need our 10 objects or our 10 counters. I'm going to put those down, just going to tidy them up a little bit so I can check that they're all there. So I've got my 10. Have you got your 10? You can pause the video if you need a little bit more time. And let's subtract 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many have we got left? That's right, we have got 5. So 10, oh, that's a big 5. 10 subtract 5 equals 5. Well done. We have given you the number cards attached with the home learning, so you might like to carry on and practice your own subtraction number sentences. Just remember that you need to take away from the bigger number.